I used to wait for the sound of his keys. That soft metal touch on the door. It once made my heart feel warm. Now it only makes me tired. Not angry. Not sad. Just tired. My name is Mira. I am 34 years old. I live on the third floor of a noisy street. 2 bedrooms. 1 small balcony with dry plants. A kitchen that is never truly clean. I wake up at 5:30 every morning. Before the sun. Before the world. I used to wake up smiling. Stretching slowly. Feeling light. I was different then. I laughed loudly. I talked too much. Now I measure my words. I count my steps. I move quietly. He used to call me Sunshine. Now he just says my name. Sometimes not even that. Mira, where's my blue shirt? Mira, why is the tea cold? Mira, did you pay the bill? Every morning sounds the same. Every night ends the same. A door. A sigh. Silence. I pack his lunch at 6:15. 2 rotis. 1 vegetable. I iron his shirt. Fold his socks. Place his wallet near the door. He eats without looking up. Scrolls on his phone. Nods instead of speaking. Is the salt less? I ask once. It's fine, he says. Not looking at me. I sit across from him. My tea gets cold. I forget to drink it. After he leaves, I clean the table. Wipe the same surface twice. Then again. The house is quiet. But not peaceful. Just empty. By afternoon, I am already tired. Not from work. From waiting. Waiting for evening. Waiting for his mood. Waiting for nothing. At night he comes home late. The keys again. That sound again. Why is the light off, he asks. I was resting, I say. You rest all day. I don't answer. I go to the kitchen. Heat the food. He eats fast. Leaves the plate on the table. Walks to the bedroom. The plate stays there. I watch it. Then I pick it up. This is how days pass. Small things. Same things. He doesn't shout. He doesn't hit. He just doesn't see. And that hurts in a quiet way. One evening, I sit beside him. Can we talk? I ask softly. He doesn't look up. About what? Nothing big. I'm tired, Mira. So am I. But I don't say it. I lie next to him at night. The space between us feels wide. Wider than the bed. I stare at the ceiling. He scrolls on his phone. The blue light on his face. I remember how he used to hold my hand. Even in sleep. Even without knowing. Now he turns away. Every night. Without fail. The burden grows slowly. Like dust on shelves. You don't see it at first. Then one day, you do. One morning I don't wake up at 5:30. I hear the alarm. I turn it off. I stay in bed. My body feels heavy. My head feels light. He shakes me. Why aren't you up? I'm tired, I whisper. Tired from what? He laughs a little. Not kindly. I don't answer. I close my eyes. For the first time, I stop. No lunchbox that day. No ironed shirt. No hot tea. He leaves without eating. The door closes harder than usual. The house stays messy. Plates in the sink. Clothes unfolded. I don't move. Not out of anger. out of emptiness. By evening, I feel feverish. Cold and warm at once. I don't cook. When he comes home, the lights are off. No smell of food. No sound from the kitchen. Mira, he calls. No answer. He finds me on the bed. Sweating. Shivering. Why didn't you call? His voice is softer now. Different. I didn't want to disturb you, I say. He stands still. For a long moment. Just stands. The next morning, he wakes up early. I hear sounds from the kitchen. Utensils clashing. The tea is too sweet. The toast is burnt. But it is there. He brings it to me. Doesn't say much. Just places it on the table. For the first time in years. He looks around the house. Really looks. The sink. The laundry basket. The dusty shelf. He opens the fridge. Closes it slowly. Do you do all this, every day? His voice is low. I nod. Silence fills the room. Not heavy. Just real. That evening he folds the clothes. Not perfectly. But carefully. He washes his own plate. Stands at the sink longer than needed. He doesn't say sorry. Not in big words. Not in dramatic ways. But he asks. Are you feeling better? Every morning. He sets his own alarm now. Sometimes he makes tea. Sometimes he forgets. But he tries again the next day. One night, he reaches for my hand. Softly. Like before. I feel it. That small warmth. Familiar. The keys still make a sound at the door. But it feels different now. Not heavy. Not sharp. Just a sound. Love did not disappear in one day. It faded in small moments. In small neglect. And it returned the same way. In small effort. In small care. Marriage is not loud. It is daily. Respect is not flowers. It is shared plates. Shared mornings. Sometimes love does not need grand words. It needs two people awake. At the same time. Have you ever felt unseen in your own home? Is this love, or imbalance? Comment 1 if this feels close to your life.